Hi, I'm here with Prasad, the CEO of LGM Pharma. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak to me today.
Thank you. My pleasure.
So, who is LGM Pharma and what are the capabilities and what makes the company distinctive?
Um, LGM Pharma is a unique platform of sourcing, procurement, and distribution as one part. And then we have appended CDMO business as part of manufacturing development, clinical trial manufacturing, and commercial manufacturing. So that makes LGM Pharma as a one company. What we started out was sourcing, procurement, and distribution. And then, as part of our strategy, having all the customers in sourcing procurement, we appended manufacturing in 2020 and started offering synergistic services to the entire customer base. That is a unique proposition we have not seen happen many times before, but we have had a great success doing that, and that makes it really distinguished. We pride ourselves on being able to offer creative solution, being agile in how we approach customer problems, and at the end of the day, developing the deep partnership with the customers and clients to move their programs forward.
Fantastic, thank you. So, tell us about the company's performance last year.
Company had an exceptional performance in 2022 as part of CDMO business. In year number one, we ended up having 50 new projects, 13 of which developed from development to commercial manufacturing. And on our sourcing and procurement business, we did almost 3,000. We did almost 300 new APIs to provide it to the customers, and 1,700 import shipments into United States.
That's very impressive. So, what's the history behind the new CDMO business?
Oh, that's a very good question, because it was a strategy that we had in plan when the platform company of sourcing, procurement, and distribution was acquired. We knew we have a wide customer base in various different regulatory segments. And so if we are sourcing APIs for the customers, we are bringing them in. There is a usage of these APIs for the end programs that customers are developing. And so we ended up appending in 2020 manufacturing facilities, and we have a wide spectrum that we provide through that on solid dosage, non-sterile liquids, solutions, creams, ointments, suppositories, and development services, clinical trial material, as well as commercial services. And also what we did as we developed this combined company, we added an unmet need of analytical testing services, which is really key for our clients to have a good analytical to go along with all these services. That's the history.
What about the status of your API sourcing business? Can you provide us with an update?
API sourcing business continues to be on a strong footing. Just for example, last year we did 300 APIs we sourced for customers, which amounted to about 1,700 importation shipments into United States. So the business has continued to grow and continues to remain on strong footing. The key to now is, as we have invested in last 5 years into quality processes and infrastructure in API sourcing business, we will continue to grow that business on the strengths of this infrastructure and quality that we have built on.
And what do you see as the drivers of the company's success?
Company's success largely depends on developing true partnerships with the clients and customers. We are in a unique size of a business where, while not being very large, we offer development services, we offer clinical trial manufacturing services, we offer commercial services. At the same time, we also do sourcing and procurement. And that puts us into a unique space to form these deep partnerships, especially with biotech, smaller companies which do not want to get lost in this large CDMOs, which is very important. And so our creative solutions, agility, speed, flexibility to work with customers eventually ends up being one of the key part of our service offerings.
Thank you. So what's in store for the future of LGM Pharma?
In store for future, we will continue developing our service platforms. We don't intend to be everything to everybody in pharmaceutical industry, but we will be good at what we do. We will be best in class. That's our real focus. And so we will continue offering the services, and the key part then becomes we will stand tall in our creative solutions, forming those partnerships, and moving programs forward for the customers, which is at end of the day our key focus.
That's great, thank you. And if you could leave the viewers with one key message about LGM Pharma, what would it be?
LGM Pharma started with a small sourcing procurement business, which has continued to grow over a period of 5 years that we have been in charge. We have then appended services which are synergistic to this sourcing platform, and is being now valued by the customer through tremendous growth in year number 1 of CDMO services. And hence we will go ahead and continue to develop this, add services as we fit, which will be the best in class for the customers. And we will continue investing in people, infrastructure, and on quality.
Prasad, thank you very much. It sounds like LGM Pharma has an exciting future.
Thank you for the opportunity to speak today.
Thank you.